nga pala si Jesus Aviles, 42 years old. Meron akong psoriasis and psoriatic arthritis for which started in 1991. So, when it started out as yung mga spots lang, siguro mga 1, 2, 3, and then 3 spots, and then pagka ginagamitan ko siya ng mga cream, mawawala. But after a month, babalik na naman siya. So, it came to a point na dumating na hindi ko na siya makontrol pagdating ng year 2004. So, it started out this way. Ang sabi ng mga doktor sa akin, dahil sa sobrang stress, kaya daw lumalabas yun. Pero, after my wife passed away, June 19, 2004, I was not working for 3 years. Lahat ng bakasyon ginawa ko na wala nangyari. So, there's no amount of de-stressing that can take your psoriasis out as long as it's in your system already. So, lahat ng klaseng clinical treatment, tinry ko na. I have approached various doctors and tinry ko yung mga treatment nila sa akin, pero to no avail. So, anyway, when my wife passed away on June 2004, I sunk into depression and stress and then depression. Umuwi ako dito sa Philippines at 200 pounds, and I went to take care of my wife on her last 6 months before she passed away of colon cancer, stage 4. Pag uwi ko dito, I resigned from my job in Chicago where I was working as an accountant, and then pag uwi ko dito, I took care of her. Hindi ko alam, it will only take about 5 months left na lang sa buhay niya, and then she passed away. After she passed away, it was too stressful for me. Sumali ako sa mga gym. I became a member of Gold's Gym, where I competed and represented Gold's Gym and won gold medal in a national event sa powerlifting competition. So, it was a time na na-realize ko na nag-iisa na lang ako sa buhay. And doon nag-start na ma-attack ako ng psoriasis on a full-blown case. Hindi lang 1 or 2 or 3 spots. This time, lumabas yung spots all over my body from head to foot. It included my soul, tsaka yung palm of my hands, where I never seen psoriasis affected me that way. Ang mga kuko ko, naubos, natanggal na lahat. And then, I had difficulty moving, especially in the morning. I had difficulty getting up the bed on my own. Tapos, yung mga psoriasis spots ko, lumalaki na. So, at that time, I asked my mom, pinadala ko siya ng mga pictures. That's the reason why I was able to collate pictures of my before and after psoriasis experience. Pinadala ko kasi I wanted to ask help from them. Kasi wala na akong malapitan. Nag-iisa na lang sa buhay. So, finally, with their permission, umuwi ako ng Palawan para doon ako manirahan sa kanila. At that time, nung makita nila ako, binubuhat na lang ako kasi hindi ko na kaya maglakad mag-isa, especially in the morning. Pagdating ko sa Palawan, natakot sa akin yung nanay ko, and including yung kanyang asawa. Parang hindi nila matanggap na gano'n na ang itsura ko. All my face was so red with psoriasis, likod, lahat. Wala akong ganang kumain, wala akong ganang my weight was at about 120 pounds at that time. So, from my arrival from the States, 200 pounds, I became very, very fit with my body at 165 pounds. And then, bumagsak ang weight ko to 120 pounds. At 5'7", ang height ko, sa 120 pounds, it's like I'm skin and bones. I look so hideous. Hindi ko matanggap yung tsura ko na ganon. I was afraid to look at people and talk to people kasi nakakatakot na yung tsura ko. Finally, nag-iisa na lang ako sa Palawan. My mom eventually left me. Iniwan nila ako kasi natatakot sila sa itsura ko. They have no idea about psoriasis, kung nakakahawa ba yun o hindi. Before she left, she gave me 1 box of Intra liquid. Doon din siya gumaling. From her experience, she had a stroke, and when she came back from London, ang katawan niya hindi na siya masyadong makalakad. She was drooling already. So somehow it helped her, and she wanted me to experience the same treatment. Kaya yung food supplement. So tinake ko yung food supplement na yon. She gave me 1 box of 9, and after nung 1 box of 9, I was able to get up on my own in the morning. In the beginning, talagang hirap na hirap ako without Intra. Pero nung matake yung Intra after 9 bottles, nakakatayo na ako mag-isa. I took the 9 bottles in less than 3 weeks. Wala na ako itinitake na ibang gamot. No synthetic drugs, no creams, nothing. Kasi, in fact, yung dala kong baon doon, dahil there's no doctors who specializes on skin and sa Palawan, nabaon ako na marami. But by the time I get there, I was so disoriented na kasi mamamatay na. I was already planning. In fact, I'm very happy because I'm healthy. Wala na akong psoriasis, wala na akong psoriatic arthritis. I can go look for a job, so kaya ko i-recover yung nawala sa akin. Nakabili ulit ako ng 40 bottles kasi gumaganda ang skin tone ko at that time. Pero yung psoriasis ko was still there, but this time meron siyang mga white edges, nagiging white na yung edges niya. So I never thought it was a positive reaction already. Pero ang ginawa ko, bumili ako ng 40 bottles from Janet Fultor. And pag inom ko nung 40 bottles na yon, which I finished in less than 3 months, nawala yung mga red patches. Unti-unti nawala, and then my skin, the luster of my skin was so nice. Yung skin tone ko gumanda. I stayed in Palawan. I never dieted, but now I am dieting. But I have to be honest with everyone that during the time na iniinom ko yung Intra, I never dieted. Kasi gumanda yung pagkain ko. From 120 pounds, I was able to gain 20 pounds with yung appetite na binigay sa akin. One thing I noticed also, it was hard for me to sleep. Meron akong insomnia at that time when I was going through stress and depression. One thing I noticed, pag inom ko nung isang measuring cup, para akong uminom ng pampatulog. Dahil pag inom ko, in a few minutes, I started looking for, a place to sleep. At tapos nakatulog ako the rest of the day. Unlike before, gigising ka every 2 hours, and then matutulog ka ulit, mahihirapan ka naman at gigising ka na naman. Pero with 1 measuring cup, maybe siguro pagod na pagod yung katawan ko for having insomnia for so long time, na yung pag-inom ko nung isa na yun, malaking epekto sa katawan ko, and it made me sleep. Sabi nung mother ko, ganyan daw ang epekto. But then, right now, I'm taking Intra and it doesn't make me sleep. Maybe somehow, binalanse niya yung sistema ng katawan ko. At that time, now, I have recovered well. So, hindi na naantok sa effect ng Intra sa akin. So, finally, tinuloy-tuloy ko yung inom ng Intra on a super dose. Intra was the best thing that ever happened to me since my wife passed away. Marami akong doktor na napuntahan. They all said it's because of stress that I had psoriasis. Pero I beg to differ. Marami pang bagay na only God can tell us, no? And itong mga herbs na to, these are created by God. Maganda ang effect sa katawan ko. If ever I'm going through this again, or any of my family will go through this kind of illness, hindi na ako magda-doubt, papainumin ko talaga ng Intra kasi napakaganda na epekto sa katawan ko. Doon ako gumaling. Right now, ang skin tone ko maganda kasi I drive a bike, no? So medyo dark ako. Pero walang peklat, walang mark na iniwan ang psoriasis sa katawan ko. I have met some people na may psoriasis sila, they put creams, and later on, yung mark nandoon pa rin, parang balat. But in my case, wala. All over from head to foot, wala talaga.